the AC and DC special type motors process. We have classified a motor in AC or DC input supply principle. Classify these motors according to input supply principles and the main parts of the motors, and then advantage, disadvantage by the application. We start from DC motors. So the name itself called DC motor. So the motors comes under the direct current motors. DC motors. The input of the DC motor is nothing but 220 plus or minus 10 voltage. It may be a 230 voltage or it may be a 210 voltage. And then the input supply is nothing but the plus minus, that is positive and then negative. There is no frequency in this input supply. So input requires the special convert device, that is rectifier. So rectifier and starters required to start a DC type motors. It may be a DC series motor or DC shunt motor or DC compound motor. And then coming to the principle. So DC motor normally works in two principles. One is Faraday's law. According to the Faraday's law, whenever the current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field, it produces the EMF. So the direction of the EMF is find out with the help of Fleming left hand. According to the Fleming left hand rule, the magnetic field and current direction, motion of the conductor perpendicular to each other. Based on the Fleming left hand rule, we find the motion of the conductor, that is rotation force. And then main parts of the motor is nothing but, so the field, basically motor has two parts. One is stator, another one is rotor. Stationary part is called stator, rotating part is called rotor. So this name is for DC motor field. Field for stator, armature is called the rotor. And also one of the special type element used in the DC motor, that is commutator. Commutator press is a system which is used to give the supply to the rotating part, that is armature. So based on the conception, the DC motor classified into three types. One is series, another one is shunt, another one is compound. The series motor, in the series motor, the field, it is stator and armature, stator and rotor, that is field and armature connected in series manner. So then the plus supply given to the armature, again the negative of the armature given to the stator field, and then negative of the field is connected with the overall ground negative of the supply, main terminal. So this motor is called a series motor. This is the first type of DC motor. And then shunt motor. So this is called a parallel type of motor. The stator and rotor connection connected in parallel manner. For example, this is field, this is armature. The field and armature connected in a single line. This is plus, this is minus. This combination of motor is called a shunt motor. And then final one is series and compound motor. Compound motor is nothing but the combination of both series and shunt motors. So in this motor has parallel winding as well as the motor has series winding. So it has the characters of both series motor characteristics as well as shunt motor characteristics based on this field winding connected in series or parallel manner. And then coming to the advantage, the motor has high starting torque compared to the other AC and special type motors. This is the main advantage, and as well as the load carrying capacity also high. So main disadvantage is, I think, the maintenance. Every 3 months we need to maintain the DC motor because the computation press and computation system burned due to heavy load carrying capacity. So every 3 to 4 months we need to maintain our computation system in DC motors. And then another one is cost. It has three main costs. One is running cost, another one is maintenance cost, another one is initial cost. So normally the initial cost, this DC type of motors, maybe series shunt compound, the motor cost is around 12 to 50,000. Compared to the other motors, the motor cost is high. And also it requires special devices like rectifiers and starters need to start and run the motors. It also consumes high powers. So running and initial cost is high. Likewise, the maintenance, every 3 months we need to maintain our DC motor. So the maintenance cost also high compared to the other type of AC motors. The application is AC, electrical train, and then cranes, and then lift. These are the basic application of DC motors.